Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can redesign your GoHighLevel default styled survey. Okay, so let me show the screen so you can see here. I already on the survey builder and I added all the questions, and definitely this is the brand new survey builder recently launched by GoHighLevel. But if you don't have this type of screen like the new survey builder, then all you need to activate, okay, let me show you how to activate this. Go to the settings from your GoHighLevel dashboard and click labs, and then just scroll down and you will see the option called brand new survey builder, and all you need to switch this button to on so that the new survey builder is appear on your account. Okay, so let me go back to the survey. Okay, here is it, and then you can add all the questions as it is from here. Okay, like survey elements, you can put images, any other fields that you need. Okay, from here. So as you are a GoHighLevel user, so I believe that you already know this, but if you don't know, then you just need to play with this a little bit and you will see all the available options to add your required questions. And then from the style and options you will get the custom CSS option, okay, right here. Okay, so you see here two tabs, okay, styles and options. Okay, so all you need to click styles and just scroll a bit down and it will give you the option to put your custom CSS code. Okay, so before put the code, let me show you how this default survey style is looks like. Okay, so let me open this. Okay, you can see here this is the default style from GoHighLevel, and definitely this is not a good professional design, and everything is the default branding. Like the progress bar is very small at the very bottom, and the next or submit button is very small at the right corner, okay, right bottom corner of the screen. So this is actually not looks very professional, and it's not customizable right from the GoHighLevel. That's why we need some custom CSS code. Okay, let me get the code snippet. Okay, here I am on the website, okay, where we can just copy all the code from here. Okay, and then copy and then go back to your GoHighLevel and then put this code right inside your custom CSS option. Okay, and then one more thing I want to show you. So let me preview this before I show you. Okay, so this survey will looks like this one. Okay, the one I'm just building now, this one, it will looks like this. Okay, so if you want to change the color, so this is the orange color now, but if you want to change the color, so just go back and you will see this color you need to change in three places. Okay, like this one is for the button, I mean the footer of this form, and then another, let me go back, scroll down a bit, I think yeah, here is it. Another option is for progress bar. Okay, this is the progress bar color, and then we have another progress bar background color. Okay, so these three places you need to change the color code based on your branding or requirement, and then just everything keep exactly same. Okay, so and then save it, and once save, click integrate and then links and preview it. Okay, so yeah, here is it. So now the survey looks like this. Previously it was like this. Okay, so definitely this survey actually make more sense when a visitor come to the website. Okay, like they need to click next button and the progress bar is looks good. Okay, instead of very small progress bar at the very bottom of the page, we just added the progress bar right after the bottom, so everything in professional looking design. Okay, so if I click here, you can see everything is working fine, and we also have the back button. Okay, here is it. So the back and next button, you can change the text if you like. From, let's say you want to change the back to previous, then you can also do this. Okay, you will see this inside the code. Okay, we have, here's the next, and we also have the back. Let me scroll down so that I can find out, just in a moment. Okay, I think I can search. Yeah, here's it. So you can change this back to previous or whatever text you want, and also you can change the next button text. Okay, so this code will work perfectly. So now how you will get the code? To get the code, here is this is our premium product. Okay, we called it GHL Code Snippets. So in this code snippet, we have tons of different codes to enhance your GoHighLevel page and funnel design, and also the functionalities. So it's now for $67 for lifetime deal. You can get it if you want to get all the codes. We have lots of different codes like review widget, the slider, okay, GSL slider, animation and transition. We have chat GPT bot, style your GoHighLevel calendar. If you want to style your GoHighLevel calendar, then you can do that. Okay, the survey form builder. Okay, we have a bunch of different style. We are adding every week's new code, and we will keep adding. And for now, okay, so you will get all the course we have, and all the future course we will add here. Okay, so that's it for the video. Okay, so if you like, and if you think this is helpful for you, then please feel free to like and comment, and share this video with your friends who need GoHighLevel redesigned survey. Okay, so thank you.